Shoja Shahumbe Kempenta o Nigeria, Baviheme Makudi Tactical Command, Shahemenu Air Vice Marshal Mike Ekweme, Sembunya wole yanga tankara ha wolu shotan nyumi dubu hwa ma kunuka trata vi zende venyo hengalo brio tif o chiviri Professor James Otesi Yodzwa Ayate ma ityakia I vanyaneyo ka sun to tif shaye tomna kenta tif shiwi yankia atyo tif show nyoso kurayo kenpenta wo Benue.
I'm just here to introduce myself to you and to assure you that we're here for the citizens, and the citizens should also know that we're here for them.
Ekwemeka na hanje unyoso ngbe akurayo kenta wo Benue yo o hemenu shoje sha humbe kenpenta wo Nigeria jimenchi Air Marshal Sunday Aneke anadwaye ise gigi kenpenta wo Benue unyoso kurayo tentative bro team goho mkane mavanya tega asuve tom were shagbo kurayo shi anasima kwa oron.
You have done a lot to help us, and your men and officers have also paid the supreme price to give us security. Fighting criminality, the criminals have become very intelligent and technologically very advanced. Our youthful people cannot be less than that. They must be ahead to be able to see them where they are and get to them without shedding any of the uniform equipment's blood. It can be done. Let the resources be deployed, let the technology be acquired, and let the people be trained. This thing, once that is disturbing this country, once there is a will, this thing can be stopped in less than 6 months.
Ben hera krayo vina beotif iwe wesi wenton kentatif maken Nigeria jimenchi Tefa Wandaka TIFF Television Boko.